I'm Katie, and I'm here at Historic Brattonsville today getting our gardens ready for spring. One of the tasks we'll need to do are build trellises, like this one. These are for our vining vegetables like peas and beans to grow upward. So let's build one. So you can build your trellis in whatever shape and size you need for your garden, but today we're going to build one like this one. It's kind of a laddered pyramid shape. And all you need for this are some long skinny branches, a hatchet to chop those down, and some twine to hold it all together. So let's head into the woods to see if we can find some saplings. This looks like a good one right here. Next, chop off all the branches. So I found 4 juniper saplings that are all about the same height, and these will be the main legs of our trellis. I also found some smaller ones that we can cut down to size to be the rungs of the ladder. This will be a freestanding trellis. We want to make sure that the ends of our legs are sharp so they can go into the ground and be secure. So now we're going to take our branches that we just chopped down and we're going to sharpen them down with our hatchet. So depending on how tall you are, or how tall your trellis is, you may need to find something tall to stand on to do this next part. So the goal here is to create kind of a square base for it by making your legs evenly spaced apart, and you're going to try and tie them up together at the top with some twine. So now that you have your top secured, you can start working on the rungs of your ladder. So you'll cut down some tiny sticks about the size that you need wherever you want your ladders to be. So we'll make a few steps along this one, and we'll start at the top. So I've got 4 sticks that are about the size that I need for this height. And I'm going to attach those with some twine too. So I've got 2 levels done now, and I'm going to keep working my way down. So here it is in the garden and ready for spring. Oh, hey, Jalen.
Hey! So speaking of gardening, if you want to learn more about gardening and other factors of the daily lives of enslaved people, come visit us this weekend for By the Back Door. See you there!